Today we're making a tasty, colorful pasta salad with broccoli. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe. You can also find new recipes on Instagram, TikTok, our blog, and Facebook, wherever you prefer to watch. We need orzo pasta, rice-shaped pasta. I have a cup here, which is the measure I'm giving you before cooking. We'll use 2 chicken fillets pan-fried with gyro seasoning, 1 head of broccoli cooked al dente, a small can of corn, diced red pepper and red onion, and a bunch of chopped dill. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic if you like. Add mayonnaise and cream or yogurt. Mix it all together, and our delicious, filling, colorful salad is ready. Serve and enjoy.